of the Fasino Calendar 2015. And to do the honors, first of all, may I invite on stage the gentleman who needs no introduction with a huge round of applause. Come on, girls, please welcome John Abraham on the floor. Welcome.
Good evening to everyone that's here. First of all, a warm welcome to all of you.
Thank you.
To my good friend Vineet Jain, who's here, and Asano-san and Roy-san, Amrik from Yamaha. My partners Rohit, who's here with the Times Group, and I think we have a fantastic partnership with Yamaha and the Times of India. I think the concept's unique, and we see some of the contestants out here, some of the winners out here, and it's exciting. The weather's great and it's holding up well. The winter's in Mumbai, and we are waiting to launch the calendar as soon as possible.
And a message for all the girls, all the beautiful divas, the Miss Indias, a message for all of them, because they've been eagerly waiting to, get a rendezvous with John Abraham.
I think they're doing a good job of kind of winning these titles, traveling around, get as much exposure as you can when you travel, and speak to as many people as possible, broaden your horizons, and I'm sure you'll have a 360-degree in terms of your personality, and I think that's more important, and rather than just the way you look. So it's important to be a complete human being, and I'm sure they're going to move towards that.
Surely, wishing them all the best, and thank you so much for your thoughts. Request you to please stay back, as I would now request Mr. Masaki Asano, MD Yamaha Motor India Sales Private Limited, and Mr. Roy Korea, VP Yamaha Motor India Sales Private Limited, to please join us on the floor. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Request you to say a few words about the association and about the calendar launch.
Very good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this nice opportunity to meet all of you. So, my name is Asano from Yamaha. So I'm very happy to come to here, and especially John-san, thank you very much for coming to tonight. And also all other Miss India, representative of India. So from last year, we supported Fasino Miss Diva. So that's why tonight is the first time to organize a Fasino Night Yamaha. And also today we are taking opportunity to deliver a nice, we already made a nice calendar to deliver everyone. So tonight, so please enjoy first Fasino Night. And this is a really only just first Fasino Night, so we'll organize 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, whatever, so whatever you want, I would like to organize. So anyway, thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Kurin, your thoughts, please.
Welcome to all beautiful, lovely, fantastic, fascinating crowd out here. And I would like to say that what is Fasino Night? It's basically a tribute to all the people in the fashion industry, design industry, because this is where we come from. Actually, as Yamaha, we are also known for style, fashion, and design. That's my DNA. And today we are creating a platform for all the people to interact and address all the things what is happening in fashion industry. That's Fasino Night we are creating. And second thing is Fasino Calendar. This is also a concept which is basically for a tribute to all the Indian women, because Indian women has gone beyond beauty. And it's not just beauty, we have more attributes like intelligence, strength, and independence, like this, and so on and so forth. So what we are saying is we want to celebrate this Fasino Night with today's Indian women, and we want to salute them and say, okay, this is today's Indian woman, right, Shruti? And we would like to say that in the end that this Fasino calendar is basically a calendar which we have launched in 2015, and it has got only 215 copies, just to mark that this is the year of the launch of Fasino calendar. That's all from my side. Have a very good evening and Happy New Year to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And a salute to all the girls, and here we go for the girl power. Make some noise, all you girls out there. With a huge round of applause, let's unveil the first ever Fasino calendar at the first Fasino Night.
जी मैं यामा का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ और यामा के साथ मेरा जो ये एसोसिएशन है वो बहुत ही स्पेशल है। और यामा के वन ऑफ द मेन पीपल यार अमरीक सान अभी आइए इधर, ये हमारे अमरीक सान हैं जो हमारे साथ यामा बहुत पहले से जुड़े हुए हैं। और आई थिंक इट्स वेरी स्पेशल बीइंग विद यामा, अमरीक सान के साथ और असानो रॉय सान के साथ हमारी पूरी जो यामा की टीम यहाँ पे है।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे कैलेंडर के बारे में, इतने खूबसूरत फेसेस है इसके ऊपर?
जी कैलेंडर के बारे में ये सबसे खूबसूरत चेहरा जो यहाँ पे है
आप खुद देख सकते हैं कैलेंडर में वी हैव कैप्चर्ड ऑल द गर्ल्स वेरी नाइसली, सो ऑल आर चार्मिंग, ऑल आर ग्लैमरस, सो यू कैन हैव अ कॉपी ऑफ इट एंड दैट विल से इटसेल्फ।
अच्छा जॉन, आपने कुछ इंटरेक्ट किया उनके साथ जो मॉडल्स हैं?
जी मैं काफ़ी इम्प्रेस था क्योंकि जो आशा है जो विनर है वो एक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर है और मेरे हिसाब से आज के तारीख में एक औरत को एजुकेटेड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंप्रेसिव अबाउट दीज गर्ल्स, क्योंकि यामा जो कर रही है वो इन यंग वुमेन को सल्यूट कर रही है जिसके पास सिर्फ ना तो ब्यूटी है लेकिन एटीट्यूड भी और एजुकेशन भी है।
अच्छा भविष्य में कभी हम आपको यामाहा के कैलेंडर के साथ देखेंगे?
जी आप इनसे पूछिए, वो हमें चाहते नहीं कैलेंडर पे।
जॉन वाज पार्ट ऑफ ऑल द कैलेंडर्स।
कभी तो जॉन इब्राहिम को लो यार। हाँ, थैंक यू
सो मच।